Just want to say it was about 9 years ago that I was shocked when I found out that I might lose my 4 front teeth. So Ben took decisive action and recommended that I have a complete mouth done and combine that with DTR. And ever since then, it has been a great experience. The office is just like family to me, and I expect that it will be that way for the rest of my life. I now am not ever worried about losing my teeth and what the future holds for my mouth. The DTR experience is really fascinating for me because I am a technology person, and basically what happens is Ben measures your bite and can adjust things, which makes you have a much better bite and situation with your mouth and your jaw. For a lot of people, it is absolutely life-changing because of the way that it can eliminate migraine headaches and do a lot of those things. For me, it just made it better for me to be able to live a full life. I would like to thank the staff here for the great care they take care of me, and to Dr. Ben specifically for the DTR therapy. It seriously has changed my life.